TCN ice-making coffee machine. Equipped with a 22-inch high-definition touchscreen. Comes with 6 powder capsule containers. Ideal for milk or flavored powders. Offers white sugar or syrup options. Delivered precisely via peristaltic pump. Brews every cup from freshly ground coffee beans. Equipped with an internal ice maker, producing up to 70 kilograms of ice per day. Dual options for water supply. Choose tap water or bottled water. Supports both cash and cashless payments for flexible operation. Delivers a perfect cup in just 60 seconds. Stable brewing temperature at 90 C for optimal flavor extraction. Supports continuous dispensing of up to 180 cups without interruption.